Hello, today we're going to take a look at Nokia's PCC, floor planning and ONT positioning feature. If we go to the COG tab, Pole Network Administration and the location, then we can define a level 1 name, which is the building, so to speak, name. If we click on it, we can define a floor and then upload a plan of the floor. See, then it's uploaded. Then if we go to the ONT, then click on the ONT, go into the ONT configuration and then location details. We can define the floor and the building and then position the ONT. We'll position it in office number 1 and then click save. If we go to the ONT and then map view, then we can see the ONT position. And the service is defined on this floor. Okay, that's it. Thanks.